Hey guys, Trey with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out this Chrome Delete upper grille overlay in gloss black designed for the 2022 and newer Silverado 1500, LT, LTZ, RST, and Trail Boss. If you're a Silverado owner looking for a sleek, easy to install upgrade to tone down some chrome or color without breaking the bank, this grille overlay is definitely worth considering. This is a perfect choice for those of you who want to maintain that aggressive look, but with a bolder, blacked out aesthetic, all without the hassle or price tag of a full grille replacement. The key feature of this grille overlay is the fact that it easily blacks out the center bar of your Silverado 1500, which is great for owners looking to either tone down some flash on a chrome package truck or add a more aggressive blacked out look on the color match trucks. This simple overlay design allows you to achieve that aggressive, custom look without any permanent modifications. Plus, it's made to fit directly over your existing factory grille, ensuring a seamless and snug fit. And it's totally reversible if you ever want to go back to that stock look ever again. When it comes to construction, you'll find this made in the USA overlay will be built from durable ABS plastic, which is lightweight yet extremely tough. ABS is known for its impact resistance and the ability to withstand harsh weather. The gloss black finish not only looks great, but it adds an extra layer of protection to fading and wear over time and will flow nicely with those other black accents found on your front end. When it comes to price, this offers a relatively budget-friendly alternative to the more expensive complete replacement option to give your Silverado a bold new look. Coming in around the low $300 mark, you drastically change the front end of your vehicle without the need to go to the paint shop or swap your grille out completely. The install process is a simple peel and stick job, so 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty scale. You're looking at 30 minutes of your time, and there's no need for any specialty tools. The overlay snaps directly onto your existing grille and adheres with automotive-grade adhesive tape, making this a quick and easy mod that anybody can handle right in their driveway. Now, let's check out an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
These are all the supplies that I'll need for the installation. I've got a spray bottle there to clean the truck before I apply the adhesive, shop rag, backup vinyl tape there just to ensure a perfect look, the adhesive over there, and then the grille overlays right here.
Okay, so the first step is to dry fit everything. Now I'm just going to quickly clean the areas that I'm going to apply the adhesive. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the adhesive to the truck and spread it with this rag. Okay, so the next step is to remove the protective film from the double-sided tape. Okay, so the tape's off, or the protective film on the tape is off, and now we just have to stick it onto the truck. Okay, now we just gotta do the exact same thing with all the other pieces. Okay, now I'm just going to remove the protective film over the grill overlay.
Well, that's going to do it for our review and install of the Chrome Delete Upper Grille Overlay in Gloss Black for the 2022 and newer Silverado 1500, LT, LTZ, RST, and Trail Boss. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.